läuft. Ready? And
Okay, Jamie, under the line, what was your biggest benefit using Hololight Space?
Well, we've saved at least 3 to 6 months in terms of time to market through the development process, and easily 5 to 10,000 per prototype. I didn't say dollars. Does it really matter? Dollars, euros, it doesn't matter.
With 4 distinct product lines and 9 advanced production facilities from Switzerland to the USA, from Italy to Japan, the LNS Group combines the expertise of 1,000 professionals worldwide, always creating innovative solutions.
With product development, it's absolutely critical to get people on board early. Communication is vital to do that.
From bar feeders to air filtration systems, LNS's products serve critical roles in the automotive, watch, medical, and aerospace sectors. Product development follows a rigorous path from market analysis to design, and finally, to market implementation.
We are committed to designing and delivering customer-focused products. To do this, we must work closely with our sales and customer service teams.
Typically, these are the teams which are difficult to get on board in the design process. We can often have misunderstandings, so we often have to produce prototypes, which is environmentally taxing, time-consuming, and expensive.
Hololight Space is the solution. It's a digital workspace where our CAD data comes to life. It allows us to upload our designs to the cloud and start collaborative sessions effortlessly, simplifying our complex industrial processes.
And really, we found that Hololight was a great solution to do that.
With Hololight Space, LNS teams worldwide can now visualize products in their real-world context.
That way, we get valuable feedback from our sales and customer service teams on what may need to be tweaked.
This collaborative tool streamlines communication and reducing the need for physical prototypes. This way, LNS is saving costs and diminishing the environmental footprint.
The ease of use and the return on investment is exactly what we were looking for. It's as easy as switching on a computer. For us now, it's second nature to use Hololight.
LNS Group's global R&D network, spanning continents, utilizes Hololight Space to perform early risk assessments and reducing redesigns.
We're able to do remote risk assessments without the need of producing expensive prototypes and saved us a lot of time.
For example, our project in China, meant for Europe, saw us bypass the manufacturing and shipping of any prototypes.
Hololight Space streamlines the handover to operations with augmented reality. This ensures all team members are aligned around the globe.
This way, we can identify critical points and avoid potential missteps. This improves our product quality from day one.
By fostering better collaboration, LNS Group enhances the quality and speed of production ramp-up, ensuring a smoother transition from design to operation. Hololight Space significantly cuts travel costs and transition times.
So we've really integrated Hololight throughout our design process. It's helped us speed up the process, it's helped us engage people better, and we really look forward to continuing to work with Hololight and the technology to help us bring better products to our customers.